What up, chat? It's Danica, your favorite female trader, back with another update. It is Sunday. The market just opened. We are going to do a Sunday breakdown. So basically, we're just going to go through a top-down analysis of the gold chart that I have posted right here. So I cleared my screen, and this is off of TradingView. So if you guys are interested in following the analysis, you just open your trading view. You don't have to buy it. It's completely free. And you can go and start marking up your charts from there. And then you can take your trades on your legal broker. So today, that's what we're going to do. We're just going to mark down the charts, see if there's any potential setups, and wait for our analysis to come out. So we're just taking some notes and yeah, listening to some music. So as you guys can see here on the daily time frame, that's where I usually start my analysis. Price is currently sitting at an all-time high at 3,090. So we're just going to write our support and resistances. So basically any highs or lows that we see in the market. Just for the sake of this video, we'll go back a little bit and I'll show you guys how to write up your support and resistances. So you guys can kind of get an idea on how to do it on a bigger time frame, and it's the same on the smaller time frame. So we have a resistance here, and then a support, and then we have a break over here. As you can see, price came above and then retested. So we have another zone here, and then we're just going to keep doing that all the way down. So this is kind of what it looks like on the daily time frame, just to show you guys. Don't typically write this up, so just for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And all that we're going to be focusing on is this area right here, where price currently was struggling to break. And then as the market opened, we're just seeing a move up right now. So this is kind of currently where we're at. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this and start fresh. So this was our support, and this is our resistance, and then we're going to go down to the 4-hour time frame and do the same thing. We'll just adjust this a little bit there, adjust this one to here. Okay, and then here again, you can see on the 4-hour time frame there is a small resistance and a small support. So again, for the 4-hour time frame, for the sake of this video, we're only going to be focusing on this current range because that's where price currently is at. And by doing this is you're trapping price so you can take the breakout trade. So I'm more of a breakout trader and I'm more of a scalper. So I take the higher time frames, and then I go down to the smaller time frame to find my entries. But I always look at the overall direction and the trend as well. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below. Ooh. It's almost a perfect setup. I'm kind of like excited that this is playing out. I might be able to show you guys on a different screen, but for now, let's look at this one. So on the 1 hour, we have a crazy spike up, as you guys can see. There we go. As you can see, price failed to break above 3,097, and it's coming back down with a huge rejection right now. So that means there is some volume in the market to be able to push it. Sorry, guys. Okay. I'm looking for show, and I can't seem to find it. And I feel like it's in here. A brush, there it is. So see how we're currently trapped here? We broke above, we have a big green engulfing candle, and that means that the session has just opened. It is currently 7:30 p.m. on Sunday, so we have a little bit of some movement right here. Okay. Back, and then going down to the 30-minute time frame. Again, just gonna mark up our zones. We don't have too much because we are in this range. But if you look closely, you do have a small, right here, small support that was being created. Price came down, broke above, came back down, stuck in this range, broke above, kind of just consolidated, came up, came back down. So as you guys can see, we were in this range and then we're breaking out. So it's a perfect setup usually on a smaller time frame. I don't typically take this setup depending on how many pips we were risking. And it's a little bit too late because the setup is already played out. But just an example. Some of y'all might like a little bit more color. You can always add some color to the chart. Make it kind of look like that, or whatever color you want, just so you can see a little bit better. But typically, I like this. So down to the 15-minute time frame, we are. So this would have been a great setup. So it would have been, well, not really because candle just opened. Bad example. So we're just gonna keep moving on. Price breaks above here. We're gonna be looking for potential buys. Kind of like that. We'll have a 20-pip stop, depending, and then it'll be typically a 1-2. And then going down to the 5-minute time frame. We have previous resistance here. But yeah, let's take this video. We are pretty much done with our analysis. It took around 15 minutes to do top-down analysis, and then for this trade tonight, I'm gonna be looking for gentle sells. Just because we're at an all-time high, and my price is gonna come down to um, all these stop losses. So a solid one would be if price breaks below this support resistance, stop, target. Target. Right, oops. Oops. And then want to do? Yes. Go. So yeah, our entry will be 3,080.50. Stop loss 3,082.49. Stop loss 3,082.50, and then our take profit will be 3,078.50. So again, guys, this is a little bit early to be trading, so we're just going to, again, this is craziness, but we're going to wait for either Asian session around like 9-10 o'clock tonight. I usually take some entries around then, and depending on the market, and then again around 3 a.m. for London session. So just to clear this up for you guys. I know it's not very clear, but yeah, guys, it's a weird one because we would have taken this entry here, but we got triggered in anyway. So that's price growth. We would have had just to show you guys an example, a 20 pip stop with a 20 pip target. So we would have already ate that trade. So we're just gonna delete that. Go back in the past. This I don't really like because there's no clear indication that price is gonna set up. So until the price does a little type of maybe a break and retest of this zone, kind of something like this. Oh, my bad, guys. And then we'd be looking at enter. So price would come up, come down, retest, and then we would enter on the retest. Alright. And then again, if you guys want to do shorts, you can short it here back below the previous resistance. It's a very nice trade now that I'm looking at it. Again, just keep the tight stop loss above the previous wick. Usually is what we do, but if you want to calculate it at 20 pips, that's great as well. And then you would just so price would come down. Price would, that example, but close below. See how it closed below here. Like down here, close below. Price will come up, and then while it's coming back down, we end. That makes any sense. That's kind of my strategy, guys. I don't want to take too much of your guys' time. This is only my second video, so I'm going to be doing more of these. If you guys need help, please reach out. And if you have any questions on my Fibonacci, or sorry, my trading view settings, we didn't go through Fibonacci, but actually that's something we can go through really quick while we're here. The Fibonacci, some of y'all might be familiar with it. If you look very closely on the 4-hour time frame, we are currently having a Fibonacci play. So typically with the Fibonacci, you have a break, price goes up, comes back down, test is our golden zone is what we call it here, the 50%, 61.8 golden zone, and then you could enter off the 50% golden zone and just keep your stops tight. And this again is on the 4-hour time frame price. This would be target 1 for Fibonacci, and then you can go target 2, and so on to target 3. All right, but that's just the overall picture for some of you guys that might want to trade more of a swing setup, I guess. Yeah, very exciting, guys. Gold is at an all-time high. I don't typically trade any other pair, as you guys can see on the side here. Gold is my main pair. So yeah, if you guys want to join my free Telegram, you guys can find that on my Instagram, and feel free to reach out. So guys, stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you guys got some value